Today, we are going to be going over updates for our channel in 2021. Hi friends, welcome back. I'm super excited to dive into some fun updates for our channel this year. So this is my first time actually doing a video like this because it really wasn't until last year that I fully committed to posting on our channel. Prior to last year, I really just posted our trip videos and some pin videos and some other like Disney talk videos here and there. No schedule, no consistency. You got a video in March and then you might get like 10 videos in August. So totally crazy. I did a lot better last year. Wasn't perfect, but a lot better. And kind of what kick-started all of that was in February, I decided that I wanted to do weekly vlogs. It was mostly for Phil and I to have some memories recorded, as well as keep up to date with our family and friends. And well, stuff kind of hit the fan after that because in March, we all know what happened, and it really gave me the extra time to really dive into our channel and make that full commitment. So 2020, with all the bad, it had some really good parts, and one of those things was YouTube. In addition to being more consistent with our channel, we also have made some amazing Disney YouTube friends. I talk to these people every single day. Making YouTube friends was not something I expected, and I thought I was just gonna post videos and talk to people in the comments, but there are lots of creators out there who I've been able to connect with, bounce ideas off of, talk to every day about life and other fun things. So it has been an unexpected, amazing part of being on YouTube. And in addition to the Disney YouTube community, we have made so many friends in the Disney community. It has been an overall great experience. And with that, all of these updates that we're doing in 2021, I have kept my amazing friendships with you, our love for Disney, and our just newfound love for YouTube in mind with all of the decisions we've made. So first update, you may have noticed we got a new logo. It has been 5 years since we made our original logo, so I think it was time to polish it up, mix it up a little bit. I just wanted something super clean and simplistic, and that is what we have. Number 2, Phil is gonna be on the channel more. He's not here now, but he'll be in other videos. We had so much fun in our videos together in Vlogmas when I wasn't breaking down on the floor. And I hope that we can continue some of those fun things like the tastings, and Phil even did an unboxing. So it'll be fun to have him on the channel more because it is Mouse and Mermaid. Number 3, we have already started this, but we are going to be doing more live videos. So we did a live, I think it was the second Sunday of January. So much fun. We just did like a trip review for all of you. We talked about the magical and tragical things. I will put a link up above if you haven't seen it yet. We are super excited to do more. We plan on doing a DVC live video. We have 2 more trips this year, so we hope to do those. I'm sure we'll do something fun and exciting for Christmas because we both love Christmas so much. But we would love to hear what you guys think. So put down in the comments if you have a topic you would like us to cover in a live video, because we're definitely gonna do one every month. But Phil already told me he had so much fun in the first one, he wants to do them every other week if we can. That might be a little crazy, but if you've got ideas, we might be able to make it happen. And then number 4, I am so excited about this one. I talked about this, I think, in a weekly vlog. Gosh, it had to be like in May of last year. Finally pulling the trigger, guys. But I'm going to be doing a series called Mainly Mermaid. So you're gonna see this little icon in the start of the video instead of our normal intro, so you know it's a Mainly Mermaid video. And it's gonna be more lifestyle, semi-Disney content. You might see some Disney stuff in there, but primarily it's just gonna be maybe my favorite things that month or other just topics that I wanna cover. So it might not be for all of our viewers. That's why I'm just changing the intro up a little bit so you know what to look out for. And then starting next week, my hope is that we're going to be able to be consistent with doing 4 videos a week. I know we can do it. Monday, we're gonna do park vlogs. On Wednesdays, we are going to just fill in with fun Disney stuff or maybe a Mainly Mermaid video. On Fridays, we're gonna post our weekly vlog from the week before. And then on Sundays, we're gonna do another Disney, Mainly Mermaid, or this is most likely where our live videos will go. So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, you can expect a Mouse and Mermaid video. And I'm hoping for the most part, we're gonna be going up at about 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It'll vary every once in a while if we're doing a collab or going live, so be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on a video. And then we do also have some exciting updates off of YouTube. So first up, we have a website. It's not that big of a deal. It's more like a landing page, but you never know what we might add in the future. I just wanted a hub where you could go and find all of the places where we put stuff. So you can find our YouTube channel on there, our Instagram page. We also have another YouTube page that I'm testing out these YouTube shorts on. And the next and last big exciting thing that I am so excited about for this year is we have a Facebook group. All you have to do is search Mouse and Mermaid. I will put a link in the description, but you can also go to our website, mouseandmermaid.com, and find a link there. It is so much fun already. We have almost 50 people in the group and we're posting pictures of our trips. We're talking about Disney updates, opinions, polls. Phil's an admin in the group, so guaranteed chaos, but it's fun chaos. So if you're on Facebook and you want to just add a little more happiness to your newsfeed, I highly suggest you go over to our Facebook group and check it out. Thank you so much for making 2020 so great, and I can't wait to see what happens on our channel here in 2021. We'll see you guys real soon. Peace, love, and Kwaherini.